Hello everyone, it's Travis Van Cleef speaking, Autodesk Application Specialist for iDesign Solutions. Today I want to help people take a look at how they can get Autodesk software onto their computer. Now depending on your subscription, you might have Autodesk software in your labs, but you want it on your personal computer to take home with you. So the best way to do this is to go to the Autodesk Education community. To get to the education community, open up a web browser and type in students.autodesk.com. Now if you're not already registered to Autodesk Education community, or you don't have Autodesk ID, what you'll want to do is come in here and register. And when you go to the registration process, you'll want to select Faculty Teacher. This will allow you to get teacher materials out of Digital STEAM Workshop. But for now, we're just going to log in and take a look at how you get these free downloads. So I'm going to type in my login information. Now, your school might already have some standalone teacher seats, so this might not be necessary, but maybe you want access to another application that's not in your suite. If you're looking for another application, or you just want to have the software belong to you, you can come over here to Free Software, and you'll notice now that I'm logged in, my name is up here and it's saying My Software here. So I've already got some software downloaded onto this computer, and my information for that software is in this location here. But when I come to the free software, I'm going to have some software recommended to me. So right now it's saying Inventor Professional, but I already have that one. So let me go find something that I don't already have. I'll take a look at AutoCAD MEP, let's say. So I'll expand that, and you'll notice that it's got a link for system requirements. So that's kind of important. You might want to take a look and see if your computer will run the software, and if it does, then you can move forward. So it's going to ask you to choose your version. So we can go from 2010 all the way to 2013. We'll select our language, and then it's going to ask me which operating system. Now it's important to bear in mind that if you're using a 64-bit machine, you can use either one of these installers. However, if you're using a 32-bit machine, you need to use a 32-bit installer or it will not work for you. So I'll choose a 64-bit, and when I click on Next, it's going to give me a serial number that I can use to install this software. So this software will essentially belong to me, and it'll work for 36 months, and it's good for one activation. It's one standalone seat. So when I get the options to download, I want to use this disclosure arrow and choose browser download. Once I've selected browser download, it's going to ask me where I want to save it. I'll choose a save location. I'll leave it in downloads and say save, and it's going to say that I need about an hour and a half to download this software. So now I can move on to other things, and when it's finished downloading, I can begin the setup. Use this information that you find in here to do your one standalone install, and it'll activate online if you're connected to the internet. So I'll just cancel that for now. I don't really need that software.